The S&P 500 has lost 21% of its value between December 31 of 2015 and July 3rd of 2016. How is that possible? The green line is the S&P. It's actually higher in price, but it has lost 21% of its value. Therein lies the crux of the matter. Folks, I need to share something with you. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. When I was a little boy, just about 5 years old, tagging along my mom's apron strings to an A&P store, one of the old-fashioned kind with coffee grounds spread all over the floor. We go and we do all our shopping. We go through something called a cashier, and out we go and we get into the car. And I asked my mom at age 5, I said, I don't understand. Why is it we stop at the cashier? You give them money, they give you money. To me, it seems like a waste of time. I suppose I was thinking like a Keynesian. So my mom took that time and she opened up her purse and showed me some things called pennies, and she said, these are pennies. 5 pennies make a nickel. This is a nickel. 2 nickels make a dime, Don, and 2 dimes and a nickel make a quarter. I said, I don't really understand. It all seems money. It just seems like a waste of time. Can't we just skip that step? She says, no, Don, we really can't, because what you're going to learn when you go to school next year and you graduate from college is something called value. Value. And she said they all have individual value. Didn't quite get it. And the truth of the matter is, I ultimately did graduate college and I never really fully understood value, because you can see it's really not taught in schools. And most Americans don't understand value. They focus on price. And in order to understand value, you must compare it to something. When you compare the S&P, this green line, with this yellow line, which is gold, the oldest currency in the world, a store of value. It cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed. It is the most sought after metal in all of the world, stored by every country in the world, central banks. Those who have the most gold win, correct? In terms of gold, the S&P, although it has gone up in price, has actually lost 21% of its value as the value of gold has risen. It's an important distinction, folks. Now, my mom may not have been formally educated, but she was a smart lady. And she also understood, even way back when, that the government was substituting silver with copper and magnesium. She hoarded the silver dimes, the Kennedy half dollars with real silver in there. Folks, I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. And if you want to learn not just how to trade the markets, but to understand such comparisons and get much more of an education, feel free to check us out. Because as you see, folks, the S&P is at 1.61 expansion, a Fibonacci expansion, a law of science since the lows of '09. And as we get up here and folks, the CNBC folks are telling you the markets are going higher just as the markets were going to crash on the Brexit, the smart money, they're selling it. They're distributing the shares as people chase price. And what are they doing? They're not chasing price, the smart money. They're preserving their wealth by investing now in gold. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. Please check us out.